we'll guide you through how to export a ChatGPT conversation to a PDF. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, navigate to the conversation you want to export. Click on the conversation to open it fully. Now, you'll see your chat history with ChatGPT. To export this conversation, you can use the print feature of your browser. On most browsers, you can do this by pressing Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac. This will open the print dialog. In the print dialog, look for the option that says Destination or Printer. Click on it and select Save as PDF from the drop-down menu. This changes the output from printing to saving a PDF file. Before saving, you can adjust the layout to your preference. For example, you might want to switch between portrait or landscape, or adjust the margins. Once you're happy with the settings, click on Save. You'll be prompted to choose a location on your computer to save the PDF file. Select your desired location, give it a name that's easy to remember, and click Save again. Now you've successfully exported your ChatGPT conversation to a PDF file. You can open it with any PDF reader or share it as needed. This method is straightforward and leverages the built-in features of your web browser, making it easy to save any conversation you have with ChatGPT. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.